Growth is good, green growth is even better for the planet and for the people. We visit a little gem in the city of Coimbatore, the corporate headquarters of Sierra, to better understand what makes it India's best green building. What makes a building green? For starters, natural resources are used in the most optimal way and carbon footprint is negligible. Sierra has taken this philosophy firmly to heart and wedded it with automation to create one of the world's greenest buildings. At Sierra, committed to nature is not just a slogan, it is a way of life. The automated gate smartly senses vehicles and visitors and opens only as much as needed to save power. During peak hours, the gates remain open. Sierra's way of life prioritizes the reduction of dependence on fossil fuels. Electric vehicles, two-wheelers and carpooling are all encouraged. Free shuttles and employee accommodation in the neighborhood reduce carbon footprint. The fully automated visitor management system is at hand for a super-fast check-in for visitors. A mobile number, an instant OTP, and a selfie generate access cards for pre-registered and for repeat visitors. New visitors need to additionally flash their visiting card at the camera. Near-field communication can also be used for check-in. The visitor management system improves safety and security of the facility. To enhance power savings, sensor-activated passage lights switch on and off when one enters and exits the space. Occupancy sensors and lux sensors activate lights to come on only when the ambient light is not good enough. This is true of individual workspaces and of common areas as well. Absence of switches guarantee that no lamps stay on due to human oversight. Work areas receive minimum selected lighting based on predefined schedules. Additional lights are allowed only for defined intervals to lessen wastage. They turn off when the floor is empty, even if there is time left in the schedule. Individuals in cabins can control their preferred lux levels with a user-friendly eFACiLiTY Smart Building app. The facility uses 100% LED lighting, and the light power density achieved is 80% better than ASHRAE-defined standards. Smart use of natural light brings down the need for artificial illumination. Apart from plenty of east and west-facing windows, strategically positioned skylights also bring in a sense of harmony and peace. High-performance reflective glass panes on the facade help harness light even while reducing heat. Most office blinds are used very inefficiently. Controlled manually, the blinds are kept closed at all times, thus losing natural light. Or the blinds are always open, increasing heat load during the day and light pollution at night. The SOMFI system tracks the trajectory of the sun, outside weather conditions, and accordingly keeps the blinds open or closed, or adjusts the angles of the blinds to ensure maximum daylight, even while avoiding direct sunlight into the facility. Better natural daylight and views improve employee productivity. Efficient management of heat load brings down the burden on air conditioning and saves power. The eFACiLiTY app gives users the power to manually control the blinds too when required. There's nothing like a clean and fresh workspace with perfect air conditioning for better health and productivity. At the same time, air conditioning is one of the biggest power guzzlers and also fills enclosed spaces with stale, microbe-filled air and hardly any natural light. Sierra has used technology to make its air conditioning efficacious and to provide particle-free, fresh air throughout the day. The facility uses a variable refrigerant system which, with its precise temperature control, makes for 55% better energy efficiency than other systems. The system is at par with global standards and offers an energy efficiency ratio of 13.85%. Sensors fixed across the building help to intelligently adjust the temperature. Zonal bidirection heat recovery ventilation systems forces stale air out and brings in fresh air. It harnesses the concept of heat transfer between hot fresh air and cold exhaust air to lessen the load on air conditioning, thus giving phenomenal power savings. Triple filtering is used to make sure that only the purest air enters workspaces. Demand control ventilation provides maximum energy efficiency. Aided by CO2 sensors, it continually monitors the CO2 levels and pumps fresh air zone-wise only when needed. A real-time IoT sensor, the FUBOT, is placed at multiple locations to monitor the levels of volatile organic compounds, humidity and particulate matter 2.5. Sierra's eFACiLiTY software fetches this data and operates the HRV to adjust fresh air supply. Indoor plants keep the air fresh, control PM 2.5 and PM 10 levels, and add to the aesthetics of the office. Metallic mats at entry points further help reduce dust from footwear from entering the air-conditioned space. Intelligent structures combined with foresight have helped Sierra achieve carbon neutrality. The entire building operates on green power. A 60 kilowatt conventional on-grid solar power plant caters to the building's power needs. Solar panels lose efficiency with every rise in temperature above 25 degrees centigrade. Sierra has implemented a unique system to cool the panels. Real-time irradiation and solar panel temperature detectors provide data to the building automation system. Using this data, the building automation system activates automated valves to spray small amounts of water. This reduces the panel temperature by about 3 to 5 degrees centigrade and keeps the panels dust-free. Sierra is proud to be only the second facility in India to install Onyx Solar's amorphous silicon thin film building integrated photovoltaic glass panels. Real-time monitoring of various parameters including power production and consumption, water consumption, indoor temperature, CO2, VOC and PM 2.5 levels keep the building on its toes to ensure that any wastage due to faults is proactively eliminated and that air quality is at its best. The humble diesel generator at Sierra is intelligently controlled and does not switch on at once in case of power failures, even on holidays. It switches on only in case of absolute necessity. In case of power failures, the eFACiLiTY system monitors UPS battery levels, temperatures, and other critical parameters inside the building. When any parameter is breached, the DG set is switched on and operates till all parameters reach cutoff levels. This innovative demand control DG set operation implemented by Sierra provides considerable reduction in CO2 emissions, energy usage, and noise pollution. The raw water and rainwater filtration systems are fully automated. The eFACiLiTY software has inbuilt fault detection and auto work order generation capabilities. This eliminates the need for manual monitoring and ensures a seamless operation. UV filtering makes the system chemical-free and fully automated. Rainwater collected from the roof is filtered in 5 stages before it becomes ready for human consumption. Most of these filtering processes do not use any power. Need-based water pumping happens intelligently using the building automation system. A single urinal uses over 150,000 liters of water every year. Not in Sierra though. The zero-door waterless urinals are completely waterless. The intelligent system allows only one-way flow of liquids and vapor, thus eliminating the need to flush and saving water in the process. Occupancy-based actuators automatically flush minimal quantity of recycled water at set intervals. In addition to saving water, there is also significant energy savings due to reduction in pumping needs. A zero paper towel policy has been adopted by Sierra, which could save several trees from being cut and reduce methane gas production from decomposing paper towels. Tap-fitted aerators control water wastage. Need-based lighting and exhaust fans contribute to power savings. German expertise uses sequencing batch reactor technology to make certain that 100% of wastewater is recycled. The treated water is used in the gardens and restrooms. Sierra takes its software company tag seriously, and hence it is a paperless office. 100% waste segregation happens at every stage, and recycling automatically follows. Organic waste from the kitchen is converted into highly nutrient manure and used internally, and it is also distributed free of cost to employees, visitors and neighbours. 25% of the site area is covered by flora and fauna and is maintained using recycled water. Even here, automation ensures careful usage of resources. A rooftop garden uses the manure produced in-house to grow vegetables for the kitchen. The eFACiLiTY software has an intelligently built facility booking system. Right from allotting meeting rooms, parking slots for guests, registering them at the visitor's desk, relaying catering requirements, to turning on the AC 5 minutes before the meeting, the system ensures complete automation of the meeting process. Not only that, it also enables considerable power savings through optimal usage of lights and air conditioning. As the sun slowly disappears, employees make their way out of the office. The shutters are down and the building goes into sleep mode. It switches off lights and ACs in work areas and rooms, triggers non-critical cameras and IP phones to power off mode, and non-critical UPS to power saving mode. Everything is quiet, dark and peaceful. But Sierra never sleeps. This hard-working building is always alert, always awake, always saving and protecting. At dawn, as the sky turns saffron and gold, Sierra gears up to greet yet another productive, planet-friendly day.